got a building there, and then the Terminator captain is there. Let's say it's, what we're saying, it's a 5-inch charge. He can now charge through that wall. So if you want to roll for your charge, Ryan, what, 8 inches. So he's got to try and move those 8 inches. So he can't go to there. He needs to try and actually move as far as he can. So he'll be able to come over to this side. Also, when you're going into combat, you get to consolidate, or whatever you call it, an extra 3 inches into that combat. So for instance, if you have a squad, you can then move the distance you roll, so easily 8 inches, and move as far as you can with 8 inches. You have to do that. And then you can move an extra 3 inches, so to bring a squad around. That will be important because only models that are touching within the first 2 ranks can actually fight in that combat, which we'll get to later on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. One other thing we'll just show you as well is if he's there and these guys are here, if you measure, I'll just show you this in another video, exactly 1.1 inch away from that wall, which we'll say is there, and let's go, it's gonna be hard to do this now, let's spread these out. The idea is, now he'll have to roll. He can't fit that model's base in that gap. Therefore, he has to go around this wall to get into combat, which will extend his charge. So if you want to try that, Ryan, that's now a 7-inch charge, let's say. If you've added a few inches, he gets it anyway.
That's 11.
But the idea is you can make somebody's charge longer just by positioning your models away from that wall. So just always do that and see how I lined them out, because doing it to there makes no difference because he could have just done that. So you've got to try and line it out with the building as such. Yeah, that's charging explained. We'll move on to the other actual scenarios and battles.